Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll explore the best toppings, flavor combinations, and tips to make your grilled banana dessert even more exciting and unforgettable. Let's continue. Once you've made your cut, gently pull the sides of the peel apart to create an opening. This is where you can get creative. Push some chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, or butterscotch bits into the opening. By stuffing the banana before it hits the heat, the fillings melt right into the fruit as it cooks. It creates a gooey, integrated dessert that you can eat right out of the skin with a spoon. It's a self-contained treat that makes the transition from the grill to the table very easy. Cooking techniques for the best flavor and texture. Success with a grilled banana dessert comes down to temperature control. Bananas have a high sugar content, which means they can go from perfectly caramelized to burnt and bitter in a matter of seconds. You should aim for a medium heat setting on a gas grill, or wait until your charcoal has settled into a soft glow. High heat is generally too aggressive for fruit and will scorch the peel before the inside has a chance to soften. Direct heat is useful for getting those classic grill marks if you're cooking peeled slices, but for banana boats, indirect heat is your best friend. If your grill has a top rack, that's the perfect spot. It allows the heat to circulate around the fruit gently. If you're using the main grate, try to place the bananas away from the hottest part of the fire. Generally, 5 to 7 minutes is all it takes. You'll know they're ready when the peel turns dark brown or black and the fruit feels soft when you press it lightly with a pair of tongs. If you're using foil packets, you have a bit more wiggle room. The foil helps distribute the heat evenly and traps steam, which speeds up the cooking process. You can place these closer to the heat source, but you should still flip them or move them around every few minutes to prevent hot spots. The steam inside the packet will infuse the banana with whatever spices you've added, resulting in a very consistent and moist texture throughout. Level up your dessert with toppings and sauces. While a plain grilled banana is delicious, the right toppings can turn it into a world-class dish. Once you pull the fruit off the heat, the toppings should be added immediately while everything is still hot. A simple drizzle of honey or maple syrup can enhance the natural sweetness. If you want a bit of warmth, a heavy dusting of ground cinnamon or a tiny pinch of sea salt can balance out the sugars beautifully. Texture is just as important as flavor when it's served. Since the cooked banana is soft and creamy, adding something crunchy creates a great contrast. Crushed walnuts, pecans, or even a spoonful of granola provide a satisfying snap in every bite. If you're feeling indulgent, a scoop of cold vanilla ice cream placed right on top of a hot banana boat is hard to beat. The way the ice cream melts into the warm fruit creates a sauce that coats everything perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.